Welcome back. Did you know that the majority of liposuction treatments performed around the country are still using 40-year-old technology? Advanced Body Sculpting Institute guarantees state-of-the-art liposuction and fat grafting technology that provides patients with unmatched body contouring results. Dr. Todd Zuhlke and Dr. John Millard join me now to tell me all about it. So let's start with, what are the top competitive advantages that you guys have?
Well, at the Advanced Body Sculpting Institute, we offer 4 distinct competitive advantages, what I like to call the 4 T's or 4 tenets of liposculpting. The first being we offer advanced technology such as the Vaser system for liposuction and the Wells-Johnson Advanced Precision Guidance Fat Grafting System. Secondly, we offer advanced techniques such as skin tightening, 3D body sculpting. We're able to take, in many cases, twice as much fat, both the deep and superficial layers, because of the Vaser technology. As far as the training goes, all of our surgeons are actually trained in these advanced techniques. And then finally, the Advanced Body Sculpting Institute, the 4th T being technician, we only use board certified or board eligible plastic surgeons.
That's great. So with the Vaser technology, what kind of results can patients expect?
Well, that's a great thing about the Vaser technology. As Dr. Millard had said, we actually can extract up to twice as much fat using the Vaser technology, and we're able to get into both the superficial and into the deep layers of that. And the other thing that's nice about the Vaser is it causes less trauma on the tissues, and so what that means for patients is that they're going to have less bruising, they're going to have less pain, faster recovery. And that also allows us to do these procedures awake.
Yeah, so an awake liposuction procedure, tell me about that.
Right, so the patients actually will come into the office on that morning that they're going to have their procedure. It's often a nervous but exciting day for them. They come in, we talk to them about last minute issues that arise. We do marking, and you can see some of that marking on the screen right now. So we do marking with those patients, and then we give them some medication that's going to help them with that procedure. We go back to the procedure room, and that's a picture of the procedure room right there, and we start performing these procedures with them. The nice thing about them being awake is that we're able to converse with the patients throughout the procedure. And at the end of that procedure, we're going to bring that patient through recovery, and then they get discharged to their caregiver.
That is amazing. So is liposuction only for those folks that are unfit or want to lose a lot of weight?
Well, that's interesting. We don't usually actually consider this a bariatric procedure. We consider it a sculpting procedure. And so we really want to sort of sculpt the patients. And so it's good for patients that want to lose some of those fat cells, as well as those patients that are also physically fit and want to bring out some of that definition.
So then, tell me about who's a great candidate for this liposuction.
So in general, we want to limit complications and have a nice, safe procedure for patients. And so we typically want patients to be in a good general health and a BMI under 35.
So if they're thinking about coming in, do you want the patients to gain weight beforehand, or
well,
if they're not at 35?
Yeah, this is one of the nice things. Well, we want patients to be at the high level of their normal range, and then typically we say, you know, that post-Christmas or post-Thanksgiving weight, not your summer weight.
Right. And now you're introducing the Vaser high-def technology soon. So let's talk about that. It sounds exciting.
It is. The Vaser high def has actually been around for some time, first introduced in Denver almost 15 years ago, but we're very excited at the Advanced Body Sculpting Institute to be introducing this 3-dimensional fat and body shaping technique where we can enhance your six-pack, your biceps, your triceps, your lats, you name it, in both men and women. And we'll be doing this awake, and we'll be doing it very soon at the Advanced Body Sculpting Institute.
And you also have fat treatment plans, the fat transfer procedures. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, that's right. So we use one of our other technologies is the Wells-Johnson Precision Fat Grafting System, which we use. And as people think about liposuction as taking away and creating definition, this is the sort of contrast to that, which is augmentation. So one of the big things that has come recently has been the BBL, or the Brazilian butt lift, and that's probably the most requested from the standpoint of Advanced Body Sculpting Institute. However, we use this in reconstruction as well, as one of our techniques to help with treating patients.
And okay, Ed, thank you so much for being here. This is exciting. This is fascinating stuff. Please call Advanced Body Sculpting Institute. They have an amazing offer for the first 20 callers today. Get a free consultation and $2,000 per area. Call right now, 303-708-8770, or you can visit their website at absinstitute.com for more information. They paid for today's segment.